Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monzo to Xero. So first is open your Monzo business app and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next from the homepage, scroll down till you see the option Connect Accounting Tool. Then click on it. Next from the lists of accounting softwares, select Xero. And from here, you will now start connecting Zero to your Monzo account. Just proceed by clicking on Next and follow all the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to log into your Zero account and of course grant access permissions, so make sure that you accept. And once everything is done on Zero, your Monzo account should be successfully connected to your Zero account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!